do this Villager song, D major 7. Deep in my heart. Deep in my heart. Are you singing? There's bridge. Okay, let's learn how to play this song. It starts out in D major 7. It does that for like 4 measures. Then it starts going a D major 7 to C major. Does that, I think, 2 times. Then it goes A minor 7, E minor 7, B minor 7. And then it goes G, C, G, 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 F major, deep in my heart, to E major. And then the second time it goes through that, it goes to a F sharp minor before it goes to the A minor. So there's a variation the second time. F sharp minors put in there. Then there's a bridge. This is B flat major 7, A minor 7, back to B flat major 7, leaps us apart, E minor 7, F sharp minor 7, deep in my heart, back to D major 7, deep in my heart. Okay, yeah, I think that's all the parts of that song. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye-bye.